For gold, we expected a rise, and I had asked you that one can remain long on gold and one can expect 1765-68 zone to be a very good resistance. Besides, it is achieved, but now trading with slightly drop and within the range, failing to go past the resistance. At the same time, US 33,800, do you recall the words I had shared very early in the day with the Asia session analysis, and see US 102 at 11,800. Now what to expect today with the US cash session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. First we look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and in the end Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Now look at the hourly charts for gold. You can find out, see a bearish trend, reversal, lower highs, and now it is trying to find a ground. So yes, if it breaks past now at 1768, you can buy for 1771-75 zone, and beyond that consider that for a good reversal. Till the time it trades below 1768, I will not recommend you to buy. See, it has broken this trend, and on the hourly chart it is still trading bearish in this channel, and hence once you see it trading below 1760, yes, you can take a short entry, you can sell there, but expect 1755 levels to be a very good support, and below that also further drop can be expected. Directional movement not indicative of anything, though it's bearish. Stochastic trading at bottom and the MACD is still in green, trying to converge here or may bounce back from here. Let's see if it continues to diverge. RSI looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now see at the 4-hour charts, after retracing a bit, again try to take a bearish turn, and you can find out lower highs, lower lows. That is what we can see. Any breach beyond this zone, possibly you can take at 1765 itself, but then expect 1767, 68, 1771, 74, 75 zone should be a very strong resistance at till 1770, 75 zone. But yes, possible breakout is only expected if it breaks past 1765 and 68 zone. Beyond this, certainly more bullishness to be seen. At the same time, trading below 1760, you can take a short entry, probably 1755, which is a very good bottom. Below that, we can see a very good drop. So similar indication what we saw on the hourly charts. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trading at the bottom. The RSI is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. Now look at the 3-hour charts. See, taking the support at 1760, rise, higher highs. Now it is trying to trade in the lower lows region. Higher, lower highs, lower lows trading within this channel. So this channel bottom, if you consider next candle, probably it might take it till towards 1756, 1755, and further below levels can be expected. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, but is still trading in red, still trading bearish. It is not yet crossed over. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, see one thing, higher lows are seen, higher highs. So possibly if it continues to rise from here, 1770, 71 should be a very strong resistance. I'll wait for it to break past 1765, 66. 1765, yes, you can initiate a buy position, but we have to be very cautious, because beyond that 1767, 68 first target, 1771 the next resistance, and then beyond that only you can expect it to fly high. And on the downside, trading below 1760, as we have already seen the lows and it is forming lower highs, lower lows, you can expect another round of drop till towards 1755 and 1750 levels. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic converging for a drop from here. Let's see if it does. The MACD is trying to trade in a sell itself. It is still in red. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. Now see this. First thing is, you can find out higher lows have been seen here. At the same time, lower highs are seen here. Possibility, if it tries to rise, this zone is definitely going to be a very strong resistance at 1770, 75 zone. Definitely prove out to be a very strong resistance. Now look at the candle carefully. See, two red candles increasing in size. And now if it breaks below 1760, you can expect 1755, below that 1750, and then it may take a sharp drip for a third red candle. First red candle, second, and a third can follow, and hence you have to be very cautious. Yes, you can initiate a sell entry at 1759 levels. Below that, expect 1755, 56 very nearby, but yes, you can at least get some $3 there, and 1755, 56 a very good support, and below that only you can expect, if it breaks below 1755, you can expect 1750 levels as the next target. Yes, you can take your positions accordingly. On the upside, breaking beyond 1765, you can buy, but then expect 1767-68 very nearby. First resistance 1771, the maximum, and then 1775. Remember, only beyond 1775 the bullishness is confirmed. Till the time it trades in between, you have to be very, very cautious. Buy at 65, sell at 59. In between these $6, do not trade. And on the upside, be very, very alert. Even if it tries to rise, it can get a pullback. Till the time it trades below 1770-75 zone, you have to put a trailing stop loss. Even a $0.50 rise or even a $1 rise will definitely be the level of a trailing stop loss, where your stop loss automatically shifts to your entry price. So trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying the right opportunities, taking the right entries and right exits on the trades, and be a profitable trader, you can join my 17th mentorship batch, the last batch for this year, which is going to start on 28th of November. Equip yourself with the right tools, right statistics, right data, right strategy for you to become a profitable trader. Join my mentorship batch. Definitely it will help you become a profitable trader in next year, where you can begin your next year with full of confidence and the right tools and strategy for you to profit. Reach out to me for more details. Do not miss this opportunity. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel description. If you go to the channel homepage, the About section of the channel, you will find my email ID and Telegram ID to reach out for. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel, and definitely you can be a profitable trader. Now, let's have a look at the hourly charts for Nasdaq 100. You can see it has created a base here, and it is trying to again look forward to it. I see any breakout, it is a big bullish candle, a rising pattern, and then a breakout on the upside beyond 11,840. Certainly it can take it till towards 11,880, 920 zone, first resistance, then 11,950, 970 second resistance, and then 12,000 levels to be seen. Remember, on the hourly chart, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and hence a pullback can be expected. Yes, you can sell there at 11,750. Below 11,750, we can expect a little drop till towards 11,700. Very strong support. 650, the next support, and below that, it is going to crash heavily on the downside. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic on the hourly charts is overbought here. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and the RSI is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, this is third green candle. The highs of this green candle are situated at around 11,820 levels. 11,820 levels definitely should be a good resistance. Beyond that, you can further see a increasing body size. It means it can in fact try to rise till towards 11,840, 880, and then 900 also is possible. But remember, see, the width of the Bollinger Bands is quite narrow. Hence, it may give a very strong move whichever direction it takes, and then the width of the Bollinger Bands may expect, and it can continue the momentum. Directional movement so far was bearish. It is looking forward to a bullish crossover. The stochastic entering into overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish on the 2-hour charts, and the RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, see, after consolidating for a while, it has given a breakout. This is the first green candle. There is a possibility, there is all possibility for it to give you a second green candle, which may take it till towards 11,880, 900 levels. In fact, are possible. Till the time it trades above 11,750, one can remain long, and rather, I will say, till the time it trades above 11,680 levels, you can stay long on Nasdaq 100, and possibility for it to rise remains solid. But below 11,680, one can convert into bearishness. One can expect that it is going to drop from below 11,680 levels. So remember, for the day till 11,680, do not think of selling Nasdaq 100. Below 11,680, do not think of remaining long on Nasdaq 100. Today is the monthly expiry for options, and hence it may bring volatility here on Nasdaq. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover. It may continue to trade bullish. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, first thing, higher highs, next higher lows. You need to be very cautious of 11,820. Yes, you can buy there at 11,820. Expect 11,840, 880, 900, 920. See, 880, 920 is definitely a very strong resistance. Beyond that, it is going to fly for 950 and 12,000 levels. Directional movement divergent bullish. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. The RSI is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. Now, Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, first thing, higher highs are done. So once it trades below 11,680, you can expect that the candle wick is formed, and then it may try to create the body. And if you create a parallel out there, the 11,550 levels are the bottom, which appears to be a stronger resistance. So first thing is, till the time it trades below 11,840, probably we can expect that there could be a reversal. Second is, beyond that, certainly you can expect 880, 920, 950, 970 and 12,000 levels are possible. And yes, below 11,680 only confirmation of bearishness is there. So these three factors, if you keep in mind and if you trade accordingly, definitely you can profit. The stochastic is looking downwards, the MACD is bullish, and it is trying to converge here. Let's see if it continues to trade in this bullish zone. RSI trading flat. Considering this, buy at 11,820, but then expect 11,840, 880, 920, 950, 970 as the critical resistance level. Keep booking profits, keep re-entering, keep booking profits, keep re-entering. That is what I will do, or rather I will suggest you to put a trailing stop loss, so that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. It is going to give you probably wild swings, and till 11,950, 12,000 on the upside are definitely going to be a good resistance. On the downside, sell at 11,680, and then you can expect a very good drop there. So in fact, you can take a short entry at 750 itself, but then expect 11,700, 680 as the maximum support. Only below 680 it is going to give you a good drop for 650 and 600 levels. Below that, 550 levels are going to be the maximum support for the day. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. See, Dow Jones on the hourly charts had created a base and then tried to expand in this channel, and the support now at 33,700 is very strong. You can expect that if it drops below 33,680, you can expect that at least 33,600 levels will be seen, very good support, and below that 33,500 the next support. Below 33,500 more bearishness can be expected. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic trading overbought here and may converge crossover for a sell. RSI trading divergent, MACD trading divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, 3 straight green candles, the max size is done, the highs are done, the support there at 33 700 is strong. Below that 33,650, 600 levels are the next targets, and below that 33,500, below 33,500 it is going to crash heavily on the downside. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic trading over what levels? The MACD is divergent and bullish here, and the RSI is looking upwards. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour chart, this is the third green candle, and yes, till the time it trades, in fact above 33,650, 600, possibility of it to bounce back exists. And on the upside, you need to be very careful. Now at around 33,840 levels, beyond that 33,950, 34,000 levels are going to be the target there. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic trading overbought here, and it has just entered here. MACD has just crossed over. This is a bullish cross. This is a second green candle. It can sustain this probably. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, one green candle. See the size of the candle here, almost 33,500 to 33,700, 200 points. And if you count 33,700 to at least more than half, so 33,850, 900 levels to be seen the next target, and then 34,000 plus levels can also be expected. If it continues to, till the time it continues to trade above 33,680, you can expect it to rise. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic overbought. The MACD is taking a bullish cross here. It can sustain the bullishness. RSI is looking upwards, so indicators are more on the bullish side or the buy side. Now look at the pattern there. One candle, retracement, and now it is trying to reverse. So once it trades beyond this zone at 33,840, you can expect 34,000 next target, and in fact it can give you a similar size of candle. Now see the size of the candle here. What was the size here? 32,500, and then 33,700, 800 levels, almost 1,300 points. And if you count from here 33,500 to at least a smaller candle, so 34,000 levels cannot be denied, which are going to be a very good resistance. So 34,000, 34,100 can be achieved if it continues to trade bullish above 33,840 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge. RSI is looking upwards, trading near to the highs. Considering this, sell at 680, buy at 840 in between these 160 points. Do not trade, yes, because this is partly overbought. It can try to drop a little before it tries to take a rise. Hence, you need to trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.